Hi, okay, this is like a different type of video setup. I'm back in front of my bed. Um, that's where my videos are going to be from now on, I think. You'll hear me talk about it in a bit, but we're just going to be going over changes that you need to know for the next couple of months for my channel and update on stuff and other things that will be beneficial for the both of us to make this work out. I decided that this semester I'm gonna upload a vlog, like a vlog or two. If I have enough extra footage, I'll do 2 videos on Mondays for um for vlogs. And then for Friday, like today, I'm making not like a vlog, but I'm making a video, like a standard video. So it's not always vlogs, so I don't want my channel to always be vlogs. And then when I build my PC, because I think in about a couple days I'm going to be getting the money for ordering all my parts, and I should get everything in the next couple of weeks to build it. I'll do a PC setup video. I'll do a desk tour, kind of, to show you what my desk is like, because it's actually pretty cute. I just need to, I just need to get it organized now with the PC stuff. The flooring is going to be done in my room, and once it's done, I'll do a whole room tour. So you'll have a proper room tour. I've been promising it for like a while, but now I'm like, I need to do it because I've been saying that I'm going to do it. Also, down in the description, I'm also I'm pretty sure I mentioned this in the vlog footage. It'll probably be like you'll hear it twice, but I never ask for anything. I really don't. I don't like ask people for things, but I made an Amazon wish list. Reason why I made the wish list was because people have told me to make a wish list because they want to support me through that way. I don't know how to explain it, but some people like giving gifts to creators that they like versus like just sending money. But there's people that like sending money, so I also have my Venmo located down in the description if you would like that, because YouTube's money system is really wonky with their algorithm, so I don't get paid as much as you would think I get paid, even though I should based on like my content over the past year and a half. But I'm not going to go into depth about that, so if you want to support me in any way, both those links are down below. Like I said, I'm not asking for anything. My P.O. Box information, if you want to send me a letter. Yeah, if you want to send me anything, whatever, support me however, which way you want to support. The description is filled with those 3 links, or those 2 links, and then my P.O. Box information. So there's that jazz of this video. And then this is my bear that I gave my grandpa after he beat cancer a second time. The one that passed away. And he kept it for like 10 years. So it's mine now. One of my followers from TikTok actually sent me this Umbreon plushie. Sent it to my P.O. Box through Amazon, like through the gift thing or whatever. But yeah, I love it. It's my first Pokemon plushie, and I'm like in love. Like, look at him. He's so handsome. Like, my favorite Pokemons have to be the evolutions. Like, I love the evolutions so much, and Umbreon's like my #1 fave. I really love Umbreon, Espeon, and Sylveon, but I love all the other ones just the same, but I really like those 3 the most because that's the types that I prefer to have on my team. Ooh. I think I'm just gonna do my videos on my bed again. Like, I'm not mad at it. I can do stuff at my desk, but I don't want to do it on my desk right now because it's just like a whole ordeal right now because I'm trying to order the stuff for my PC. Issues came up, but I'm gonna get my PC stuff and everything, so that's exciting. So it's gonna be all here, right next to my bed, and then you'll see videos. Finally, I kind of want to move my mirror so then I can use it, but then it's gonna get all this, and it's just I don't know. It's a process of thinking of like, do I want to continue to move things around in my room? Because if I do, then I'll have to like do a bunch of room tours changing up my stuff, but I don't want that to happen. You know, if that makes sense. I don't want it to constantly be changing. And then I got these silk pillowcases for my hair so that it doesn't fall out as much. Alright, so as I was saying, I just wanted to like be more upfront of like how the next couple of months are going to go for this semester in school, because I have 3 classes. They're mainly video editing and filmography based classes. One of my classes got dropped apparently because the professor, something happened or whatever, so I'm going to have to take that class in the fall or maybe the summer. I don't know. There's that. My light bulb's out. It's like it's only brighter in my room, but one of the light bulbs is out. The live stream I did, I was like trying to get to 5K on TikTok, and now I have like 65,000 on TikTok. It's just crazy of like how much has changed since I started TikTok. I've actually gained about 500 followers since I've started promoting. I didn't at first, stupid me, I didn't at first promote my YouTube channel on TikTok, but now that I am starting to promote it more, people are like, you have a YouTube channel? I want to watch you outside of TikTok. So also trying to get more active for that reason as well, so I don't look like an idiot. But yeah, in like 4 months I gained like 60,000 followers, so that's like, I think that's cool. But I'm really excited to show you guys my room. I organize the pop figurines that aren't Spider-Man. Like my Spider-Man pops are over there, obviously you've seen it in vlog footage, but the other ones that I have, they're like Carnage, Scooby-Doo, everything else that's not Spider-Man specifically, or like a Spider-Verse character, they're like sitting on top of a bookshelf because I have my cameras sitting on top of one, my old cameras I don't use, and then now I'm using the other one for my pop figures and everything. I genuinely like, I love my room. I like it. It's homey, it's cozy. Sorry. And then I'm gonna edit the video, schedule it. And if not, this video might go up late, so I apologize, but I'm going out with my boss tonight. You'll probably see videos on Instagram. If you follow me on there, you'll know. So my boss and her boyfriend broke up, and my boss and I have gotten really close, and she's like, I just need to go out to drink tonight, and I was like, okay, like, that's fine. I don't work for a company. I work as like a dog caretaker, babysitter, all that jazz, kind of like a personal assistant sometimes. But we're going out tonight, and I'm like, I don't want to have to really like stress about a video today. So I'm gonna post it when I post it, and it might be up tomorrow, and I don't know if you want in the comments to suggest if you want it Monday, Friday, or Monday, Saturday, like for videos. Like, do you want like a full hardcore video of like actual content on Saturdays, and I can do like my gaming streamings on Saturdays or something as well, like after a video is posted? Let me know in the comments. I'm up for anything, but pretty much gonna try and stick to Monday, Friday, but if not, I just will do Monday, or I could do Monday, Friday, Saturday for like streams, but right now I don't have my PC, so I can't make any promises right now. And whenever I fully decide, under this video, like the pinned comment will be my uploading schedule. My phone charger is like broken, or my charging port on my phone is broken, and I've had this for like 2 years. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if that does anything, like blowing air into it to like clean it out. I don't know. But man, my phone's just not charging like it used to, and it's super annoying, and I hate it. Ugh. So, spinning off topic. Whoopsies. But you guys know the whole point of this video. I kind of just like want to randomly talk about something because like it really irked me yesterday. I had to make a video on TikTok about it because I just literally was so bothered. But my PO box information is down below. My Amazon wish list is down below, and then my my Venmo, just for the fact that it's easier. My Venmo and my Cashapp, I think are both down there because some people prefer to use Cashapp and some people prefer to use Venmo. I literally don't care, whatever you want to do. They're down there. Now, for the thing that really bothered me, so I posted a video. Like, there's like a TikTok, when you're on TikTok, you kind of understand what I'm talking about, but there's like trends of like a type of video to do to like a song or an audio. So I did one, and I was talking about like wearing wigs, like, oh, like me as a cancer patient, like, oh, I'll never wear wigs, and like look at me now, like I'm wearing wigs because of my hair loss. Is like I can't control it, but I still wear it, like. And this person's commented, episode 18 of stuff that didn't happen, and I got so upset because, one, I have a scar under my boob here. I have a scar here. It used to be down here, but since I've gotten older, it's like in this general area. But I have 2 scars from my surgery. I have PTSD, like diagnosed PTSD with certain surgeries. Like I freaked the fuck out because I had all that stuff happening when I was 4 years old. My migraine condition was caused because of all the chemo I had, because chemo wasn't advanced as it is now. Chemo, literally, when I went through chemo, I was put on like 2 or 3 chemos at the same time. Like, they had to combine stuff to save my life. They're like, okay, you're like a guinea pig, but we want to make sure you live. We want to make sure you actually survive this, so we're just gonna pump you full of stuff. And I literally, all my medical issues that I have to this day are because of that. I also can't go outside, and I can't go outside and tan for a long time because I could get skin cancer. Like, I can't make up dying and all the stuff I went through for a TikTok video. So I posted a video and I was like, here you go. Like, I had pictures of like through my cancer experience, and I'm like, I fucking survived it. Like, it's just, I really don't like the kids on TikTok most of the time, especially the ones that comment shit like that. It's like, how can you be so rude to somebody, especially when it's cancer? Like, who makes up cancer? Like, who makes up having that? I don't get it. If you liked today's video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It's just so weird doing like a full sit-down video after so long. My mental health has been absolute garbage. So the fact that I was able to sit down and film a video and be okay, I think this year is gonna be alright. It's the year of the rat, which is me, so I'm literally in the Chinese calendar, I'm a rat. So I think this is gonna be a okay year, good year. Hopefully it's better than last year, because last year was absolute garbage. So I'll see you in the next video. So yeah.